This is FC1065 Spiral Washer. It is designed for washing raw ores that contain a high proportion of blocky and coarse particles. The FC1065 features a 6.5-meter tank, a 1,000 millimeters spiral diameter, and a total weight of approximately 5 tons. The spiral structure is optimized with a lightweight design and equipped with polyurethane shoes, which helps reduce blockage and minimize wear when handling angular stones and coarse materials. FC spiral washers are suitable for cleaning raw materials such as fluorite, barite, iron ore, tin ore, copper ore, river sand, gravel, and other ores containing sand, grits, and blocky particles. It helps remove attached mud and impurities to improve downstream processing efficiency. If you need a washing solution for your project, feel free to contact us.